Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change keyboard sound on Opera GX. First step is to open Opera GX on your PC. Then tap on Easy Setup from the top right. Scroll down and select Go to Full Browser Settings. Here select Browser Sounds. Then there is an option Typing. It has two sets for typing sounds. There you can select any of these. Also, you can change the volume of typing speed. If you want to turn off keyboard sound, simply toggle over this here. This is how you can change keyboard sound on Opera GX. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.